and my wife have been together for about 5 years now, and I came into the relationship when she had a just over 2-year-old child. The donor of the child, as I like to call him, has had no contact with him or with us since he's been born. What is the best way or the easiest way for me to legally adopt him and he be mine as opposed to the other person?
Okay. So the easiest way would be to get the father's consent. So you would do a step-parent adoption and petition the court saying that you want to adopt your stepson. And the best and easiest way, since that's what you're looking for, would be for the biological father to actually consent to the adoption. Then you file all the paperwork together at once, submit a final judgment to the court or ask for a final hearing, give the biological father the chance to come and have his voice heard or that he does consent, and then typically the court will sign off on the step-parent adoption because you're wanting to adopt the child.
Now, it kind of seems like, if you're not a fan of the original father and you kind of don't want to deal with him in the process, even though that is the easier way, what are the other options here?
So the other way would be to terminate his parental rights. Now, our firm doesn't do this, and it sometimes is complicated. So you have to terminate the parental rights, petition the court. And for what, Ryan, what you mentioned, the abandonment or the no relationship with the child, those are some grounds, and the statute is very clear on what the grounds are for termination of parental rights. So just consult with an attorney who does it often, and they'll be able to guide you that way if you do have to actually terminate rights because the parent won't consent.